In the one-step method, the detergent is not used at full strength, but in a concentration of 0.5%. That's to say, diluted with 3 parts water. The controller is set to 2 in this case. The vehicle is washed systematically from the bottom upwards with detergent in the hot water high pressure jet. Washing brushes can also be used for removing stubborn dirt and stains. The rotating washing brush with natural bristles greatly simplifies the mechanical work. The high-pressure jet drives the brush. The vehicle is then rinsed from the top downwards using only fresh water, no detergent. Cleaning is fastest with this method.